Kia ora, I'm Te Kahukura and I'm the founder of Māori Millionaire. I'm on a mission to empower Māori to become financially independent. Here's some tips on how you can save and grow your cash. Creating a budget can be super scary, but it can be really simple as well. Write down your income, your expenses, list them all out. If you're in the red, this means you need to boost your income or reduce your expenses. One way or another, something needs to change. These are the different bank accounts that I have. If you're able to see where your money is going to, you're more likely to be able to look after it well. I even have an account for my 21st party because I know it's going to be a big expense that's going to come up. So I set up a bank account and started saving for my 21st party. This is why we need emergency funds, so that we can pay to repair things when emergencies come up, so that we don't dip into our savings and we don't go into debt. Even if it's $5 a week, start saving so that you can build an emergency fund for when accidents happen or emergencies pop up. Building your mātauranga about personal finance is super important. Listening to podcasts, reading personal finance books, websites like Sorted have some really good resources to learn more about finances.
Kia ora.
Kia ora! Are you able to go to the shop for me and get these things, please? Here's my card. If you're anything like me, impulse purchases are really hard to avoid. Here's a tip. Get a trustworthy friend to do your shopping for you and return the favour to them by doing it for them as well. This way you won't end up buying things you don't need. E te whānau, it's not all about pūtea. Make sure you're taking some time out for yourself, whether that's going for a hikoi, taking a nap or getting your nails done. And you can't work when you're unwell anyways, so make sure you are prioritising self-care.